My favorite day was definitely the day we went to the criminal court. I thought that it was very interesting because I got to learn more about the inner workings that not everyone necessarily knows. So we got to see actual prisoners getting transported and we got to witness a court in action, and also I learned about the mediation process, which I never knew existed before. The visit to Silk Legal was it stood out to me as well, because one of the partners, he said that law is a profession which is governed by ethics, and I never looked at it that way before, because I kind of just thought law was just getting stuff done, but it didn't really have anything to do with ethics. So after he said that, it made me realize that law is a very important profession. I think it's given me a lot of clarity, because I think I have more of a sense of direction now. I feel I'm very confident in going to law, and I know that I want to solve problems, because the Teleki and Gibbons, he said that a lawyer solves problems, and I actually enjoy doing that, so I think that law is a good place for me.
I think studying law would be helpful for me because it would give me the knowledge I would need to kind of provide the change I'd want to see in society. And the reason I said that is because, especially if you're going to work in politics, everything you implement is kind of a law. So what I'm kind of hoping to get out of studying law is maybe some of the history, but also what a law can do to affect people, and especially how other people interact with the law. Because I think once you know that, you know in a more kind of basic level how the law affects people, and how kind of important it is to think about when you implement laws, how they will affect the society.